Hello traders, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. My name is Darius and I'm a smart money concept trader. Now in this video we're going to make a week preparation. It is Sunday, so hopefully you all had a wonderful weekend and that you're ready for the next week, because Sunday is always my preparation day for the whole week. So I'm doing my higher time frame analysis, and then I'm going to also go down lower to the lower time frames to check out what the price potentially could do, and I'm going to share with you my view of the market. So as I said already, we're going to analyze it from a smart money concept perspective. Okay, we're going to identify the footprints of the biggest institutions, the biggest participants in this market, and this is how we can make good risk reward. So don't forget to check out my Instagram page over here. I'm always sharing the trades that I took over there. So that was a very wonderful 21-hour trade then here on GJ 23R. So it was a pretty nice week. Here we played a little bit of ping pong with GU. Unfortunately, I closed this trade over there way too early because price dropped too much to the downside. But yeah, I'm going to show you some more behind the screens right now on the charts what I did. And yeah, if you are interested in getting mentored by me, guys, this is my official inner circle where yeah, you will get educated by me. We will make Zoom calls. You got the education part with the video step by step, so you don't need to be already an expert in the Forex trading markets. No, I'm going to learn it from you. So I'm going to teach it to you step by step from scratch, and then you will be able to take trades like me. So if you look at my students, what they're doing currently, that's just way too crazy. So they all are smashing it, making big risk reward trades. So that's really crazy. I'm super proud of them. And yeah, hopefully to see you guys as well in the inner circle. So I would say let's get it right into this video. Let's start with the EURUSD. Now that was the last analysis that I shared with you. I'm not sure right now if it was on TradingView or if it was on YouTube. But yes, we've been in this market, in this ranging market, and I made a prediction the price potentially will go down lower before moving up higher. Now I would say let's completely start from scratch. Let's just analyze everything. But some levels we can still hold, we can still let them on the charts, like this zone here on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, you can see the price basically super bearish. Yes, it's super bearish. Now looking for a long may be stupid, but no, it's not. Why? Well, actually we've been tapping into this level of demand, and our expectations are that the price from here potentially will move up higher to give us a higher correction in this case. Now price could potentially go up higher till this zone over there, and this is super high, but of course we need a lot of fundamental support as well in order to bring the price like that. From a chart technical perspective, it makes a lot of sense, because that's a pretty nice price. It's a price where the majority took some buying opportunities, but of course price could just go down lower to tap into this zone, or potentially to even go lower. Now this is something which we are not dealing with, so we should not deal with that situation. We should right now just look on the next potential setup, and this is by looking right now on the daily time frame what the price has given us here, and we can see yes, it is currently starting to be bullish. We got here some important level where the price could potentially break above it, and then we will have even more bullish momentum. If I'm switching right now to the 4 hours, then I can definitely tell you that one of my POIs is there. So I'm really interested that the price right now will target this zone here to use it in order to bring the price all the way back up. So I'm more bullish than bearish on the euro, but of course price could go down lower. And this is what we mapped out this range previously, because price was in this range, price broke below it, tapped in back up. Now what it will do, well, it just tapped into this supply over there, and right now the opportunities are that price will potentially go lower to just target some liquidity over there that we have. So my idea currently is that price potentially from this price what we are currently in, it could do something like this and moving up higher, okay, using this whole liquidity which is provided there, or price will do something like this and then clearing out some liquidity from this pole over there. So I'm not sure about it, what the price will really do, but I'm more bullish than bearish, to be honest. So I will more than likely look for a buying opportunity, but potentially we could go for a short over there to tap into this liquidity spot and then to go up higher. That's what I see currently, and that's what my analysis for the Euro USD is. Looking on GU, yeah, that was the one wonderful trade. Look at this, how perfectly I closed it. So it was because of this supply zone, okay. I'm honest to you, I thought about price will potentially go up higher, because from my point of view this market should reverse as well. So I had big luck over there that I really closed my full positions over there. I mean, yes, it was already over 20, it was 21 hour, so I was already happy with it, but I wanted to hold it longer, you know, because what my perspective is currently is we got here a ton of liquidity and price should target some liquidity above, you know, and price didn't. And this is why right now I'm looking to buy very soon. So let me just delete this. Super bad that I didn't take a short from there, you know. So that would have been a massively trade, taking a short from there all the way back down. But let's just analyze it also here from scratch, from the higher time frame. Now, watching the weekly, look at this. It looks like price will also reverse very soon, because we tapped into it, into the zone already, you know. So that's kind of my demand right now for the GBPUSD, and also here my ID's price should go up higher to target some liquidity above these areas, you know. So price should do something like this before dropping afterwards lower. But yeah, we need to wait for further confirmations in order to expect that. And switching now to the daily time frame, the market is way too bearish, you know, but I'm still looking to buy, to be honest. Why? Because price gave me here something, you know. Price gave us here some serious movement to the upside. Now, the idea would be that price will go up higher than this level over there, that we will target something above it. So potentially this zone here is something which I would definitely keep an eye on it. Let's go lower to the 1 hour time frame. It looks like price already took here something, you know, so already targeted some liquidity, pushing up all the way back down, where I know in such an area over there. So what we can expect right now for GU are two options actually. Option number one is price will from here go up higher. So from here we could see something like this, you know. One option. Second option is something like this. Third option is price will just drop lower and then be bullish. And this one is then bullish afterwards as well. So in all cases, I see price to be bullish at the end. So it's right now your own opinion which you need to make right now on how to deal with this certain situation. Because I'm not sure right now what the price will do. You know, it's kind of collecting potentially some liquidity from here in order to bring the price all the way back up, or it will then crash here, or it will crash from here. And at the moment when we will be here, I will look for a buy. Okay, so it's not very clear the situation for GU currently, but we got here several options, so we will just need to deal with that one. Yeah, the USDJPY. So I was not in a trade right now in USDJPY for a longer time period. Also, I missed this incredible move down. But let's just delete here everything. Let's make everything from scratch. Yes, watching the weekly time frame, what we can see is that price targeted this specifically liquidity over here, you know. So that was my previous idea as well. So before price went like this, I thought, okay, price will drop lower, and it's what it did now. And I want to see price to come lower to tap into this area over there. So let's see what it will do right now, if it will go all the way back up, because currently price is just collecting a ton of liquidity. And look at this, how aggressively it moved to the downside. And my idea is right now potentially price to go like this and going then even lower. It looks like it's about to generate here an accumulation phase, so we could see something like this. That's my whole idea right now on the USDJPY. So I will definitely look for a longing opportunity instead of looking for short right now. That's what I have on my watch list currently. Yeah, GJ, that was also a very incredible trade that I took over there within the inner circle. So we shared that. We made a very detailed analysis over there on the inner circle in our Zoom calls, where we discussed how the price potentially will react on this area, and this is what it did. So it was perfectly like we've learned it from our liquidity concepts. So price gave us here some serious opportunities, and we banked 23R, which is crazy. What we can expect now from GJ. Now we discussed also this opportunity, which the price then at the end did. I shared it also with you guys that price potentially will go lower, and this is what it did now. Price is currently here, you know. Now my idea is that price will now drop lower. So if it will go like this, I will look for a short opportunity instead of a longing opportunity. Why? Very simply, what I expect from price to do is, to be honest, that price will go here more to the downside to tap here below these areas to collect some more liquidity. So my idea is right now price to do something like this. Something like this, or it will just tap in like this. Okay, so all in all, I will look first to go into a short, but if price right now during night will go like this, then of course I will look for a longing opportunity on a Monday. Okay, so you can see very aggressively movement to the downside. Now our job is to find a new opportunity to get involved into a short and then into a long, or if price is already here, then straight into a long position. Well, that's basically it for today's video for our week preparation. As always, my favorite pairs. Hopefully you can take some advantage out of these analysis. And yeah, if you would like any help, then check out the inner circle, my friends. We are all together over there. We're analyzing the markets together. We're trading together. So it's a really good community. I'm very proud of this community. And yeah, hopefully to see you as well over there very soon. Thank you for your attention, guys. See you next time with a new video. Bye bye.